unmissable manufacturing opportunity with SpikeMaster 1000 Mark II. The new SpikeMaster 1000 Mark II introduces a new standard for the automated manufacture of hardwood survey pegs and stakes. Designed and produced for Australian and world markets, it can be configured to produce pegs of various sizes and lengths. This is an amazing opportunity to own the rights and IP for the design and create a business in a niche market. You can set up and start production anywhere in Australia or worldwide. This machine offers industry-leading safety standards, integrated dust removal system, and a new ergonomic design to prevent bending and back injury. The SpikeMaster 1000 Mark II features less power consumption than its predecessor and a digital low-voltage push-button operation. Low maintenance, with parts readily available off the shelf, this is an extremely versatile machine. The SpikeMaster 1000 Mark II is an amazing new machine in the world of hardwood survey peg production. The opportunity is available now to create your own business with machine design plans and Australian registered trademark included.